Here at Coleg y Cymoedd, the School of Vocational Access offers an independent living skills course. The pathways 2 to 3 are entry-level 1, 2 and 3 non-accredited courses. These consist of life skills, personal and social development, skills for independence and work, skills for working life and vocational pathways. We have a different range of courses on all 4 of the campuses. Aberdare and Rhondda have entry-level 2 courses, and Nantgarw and Ystrad Mynach offers entry-level 1, 2 and 3. The Independent Living Skills Programme teaches the students the fundamentals of how to live independently. Students are taught how to look after themselves, the importance of personal health and well-being, how to use public transport, prepare simple food and drinks, and how to handle money. The course aim is to develop social skills, build confidence, improve digital literacy, and provides a practical approach to learning. During your time on the course, you will also look at improving your numeracy and literacy skills as well. There are no formal entry requirements for the ILS courses. You will be invited to an interview where we will assess your level of support and which course you will benefit most from. All 4 campuses have excellent facilities like the Learning Resource Centre, Green Zone, a self-maintained bungalow, cafe and restaurant. We offer an excellent learning environment and well-maintained learning areas for all students. The students will participate in different fundraising opportunities across the year to help raise money for different charities. Our pathways 2 to 3 vocational studies courses are designed for learners seeking to develop greater independence and to enter supported employment or to progress onto a higher level vocational qualification like construction, catering, hairdressing or creative media. This is a non-accredited course designed to give learners the opportunity to engage in learning which is relevant to them, providing opportunities to develop key skills, a range of life skills, personal skills and attributes, and develop interests in different areas which may enable progression to supported employment. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Hwyl fawr!